Navigating the organizational landscape, understanding the key elements that shape an organization environment is crucial for informed decision making and strategy planning. Internal environment, culture, the shared values, beliefs, and behavior that define the organization's identity and influence how employees interact. Structure, the formal and informal reporting relationship, communication channels, and decision-making process within the organization. Resource, the financial, human, and technological assets available to the organization to support its operation and achieve its goals. Organizational culture, values, the core principles and beliefs that guide the organization's decision-making and behavior. 2. Norms, the right rules and expectations that shapes how employers interact and performs their work. 3. Behaviors, the observable actions and attitudes that reflects the organization culture and are reinforced through various mechanisms. Organizational structure, hierarchy, the vertical arrangement of authority, decision-making, and communication within the organization. Specialization, the division of labor and the grouping of tasks and functions into various departments and units. Coordination, the mechanisms and process used to align the activities and effort of different parts of the organization. Centralization, the degree to which decision-making authority is concentrated at the top of the organizational hierarchy. Organizational ratios. 1. Financial, the monetary ratios including revenue, investment, and access to capital that enable the organization to fund its operations and immediately. 2. Human, the knowledge, skill, and abilities of the organization's employees, as well as the process and system in place to manage and develop this talent. 3. Technological, the hardware, software, and information systems that support the organization operations, communication, and decision-making process. External environment. 1. Market trends, the changing consumer preference, competitive landscape, and industry dynamics that can impact the organization's operations and strategies. 2. Economic conditions, the broader economic factors such as GDP, inflation, and unemployment rates that can influence the organization's financial performance and decision making. 3. Regulatory landscape, the laws, regulation, and government policies that dictate the organization's legal and compliance requirements, as well as the constraints and opportunities they present. Market trends, shifting consumer preference, evolving customer needs, behavior, and expectations that organizations must adapt to in order to remain competitive. Competitive landscape, the strategies, products, and services of by rival organizations vying for the same customer base. Emerging industry trends, new technologies, business model, and market development that are shaping the direction of the industry. Regulatory landscape, legal compliance, adhering to laws and regulations that govern the organization's operation and industry. Industry-specific regulation. Rules and guidelines specific to the organization industry, such as safety standard of licensing requirements. Government policy. Initiatives incentivize and restriction implemented by government entities that can impact the organization's strategies and decision making.